everyone, welcome to Alkesh Dinesh Modi Institute. This is our segment Unfiltered with Media, presented to you by the Media Committee of our institute. So before we begin, I would really like you all to introduce yourself, your batch and your specializations.
So I'll start first. Arsha Ansari here. I was in a finance batch and I guess I passed out in 2022. So my batch was 19 to 20.
Quite recent.
Yeah.
And my name is Muskan Gupta and we are from the same batch and yeah,
We're
currently
in
I'm
the same
working.
class.
Yeah,
So you all become friends in the college, or you all were already friends?
no, we were
That's really amazing. So how does it feel to be back on the campus today?
I would say it is like bringing back all the memories. Even though we were only 1 year here, but I had a blast over here.
I feel the same.
It's nice to have a friend in college.
Yeah, exactly. Actually, we had a group. Totally, I don't remember.
Actually, I didn't used to come college, so
Okay. What is the one thing you miss the most about college?
Friends.
Okay. Were you all part of any committees?
Yeah, ESL.
Oh.
no, I was not.
So any memories about the ESAL committee?
When we visit BSC, the stock exchange, and then we went to Kala Ghoda because we all were friends were having
Okay.
Then we went to Kala Ghoda, we enjoyed the exhibition and all. You say?
I was not in any committee.
But did you enjoy any fest like presented by the
Yeah,
other
we had
companies?
a fest as a Zest,
Yeah,
so
which
we
recently
enjoyed that
happened
a
in our
lot.
college.
Yes, that happened in 2019, I guess.
Okay.
Next
Yeah.
2020, I guess.
Yes.
At least we had a part of Jest one.
Yeah, and then COVID happened, so
Did you all participate in any of the
Yes,
events?
I did.
Like fashion show or dance or any of those?
I did.
Okay.
I guess I did the ramp walk.
Okay.
Yeah, I participated in that.
That's really nice.
I didn't participate.
I also participated in Snake and Ladder also the game जो game हो रहे थे.
Okay,
I
yeah.
participated in every game.
That's really nice that you at least participated.
Yeah, actually I enjoyed it.
Yeah.
भले ही 1 साल but I enjoyed
That's
it.
the most fun part of college. So apart from since you said you're part of a committee, so committee के साथ होना मतलब lecture bunk करना या skip करना वो तो hand in hand जाता ही है. So have you done it ever like skipping or bunking lectures?
मैंने lecture bunk हमेशा किया है after 1:30. I never went on a lecture.
Same, I didn't attend any lectures. Very rarely I attended lectures. That's why I was not in any committee or
I guess
anything.
first time na Chetan sir has used to poke her
Yes.
I leave in there and you stay in there but still I came and you can't able to come and attend the lecture.
मतलब main reason क्या होता था lecture bunk करने का? Professor या lecture subject ही पसंद नहीं आता?
थोड़ा सा ऐसे फ्रेंड्स के साथ घूमना फिरना.
Do you think college is about attending lecture or it is about
I do not think that, but I will not comment on it since I'm still part of the college.
okay no comment on that but I can do a comment on that.
Yeah.
But still मैं सारे lecture attend करती थी. मैंने सिर्फ rarely evening का afternoon का ही lecture bunk किया है.
आपका कोई favorite professor तो होगा ही, like
Megha ma'am.
okay.
She when I was in first year, she was the reason I choose finance.
Okay.
She
So you all both are from finance background.
No, I was in marketing.
Okay. So who was your favorite professor?
Rakesh sir.
Rakesh, the BMS coordinator kind of. Okay.
Yes.
So you know our campus is too big and we come under the University of Mumbai. So I'm sure you all had your favorite hangout spot. So would you like to tell us some stories about it?
You remember we were once went there stadium,
The
sports stadium, I guess.
The where the library was building up now, I guess it's still building. I don't remember. The nano also, the nano tech.
In nanotechnology, yes.
That there also we went as we had a lecture, I guess.
Well, it sounds like you all had really fun time in college, like no lectures and a lot of bunking. I wish I could have
attended the
that.
lecture.
Like,
I did
were your
attend.
lectures scheduled on time?
No.
Did you have a problem with the CRSR committee back then too?
No. We were happy. Okay. They said, fine. We'll just roam in the university. Fine.
Okay. So, something you would like to tell the current students of the institute? Any
Enjoy your time here.
Okay. Apart from enjoying, like,
Okay, focus also on your study. Okay. That's all.
okay, it was
But
lovely.
enjoy the most.
Yeah, it was lovely having you both there, and you all look really beautiful today.
Thank you.
And have a really good
You
evening.
too.
Thank you so much.